am back with another video. This is Alicia Savings, formerly known as the Feral 5. I did update my YouTube channel name to Alicia Savings simply because I told you guys that I originally created our channel with the hopes of doing family vlogs and things of that nature, but it's become a full-blown coupon channel, so therefore I went on and updated that name to be a little bit more related to the content that I'm putting out. Okay, so for today, I'm going to give you guys a breakdown scenario for this weekend at Dollar General for September 8th, a Saturday haul. So you know, we always have our 5 off of 25 at Dollar General, and this is a all digital coupon transaction for you guys. I don't think there are any paper gain coupons out right now. If there are, I don't have any of them. I know the ones that we previously had expired on the 1st, so I don't have any more gain coupons. So I came up with a all digital coupon haul for you guys. So I told you guys that this week, September 2nd through September 8th, Dollar General is going to have the gain products on sale for $3.95 again. Now next week, they are going to be on sale for $4.50. So if you want to get in on this gain haul and get the most amount of savings that you can, you need to do this haul this week. Now I just pulled all of these items out of my stockpile to show you an example of what all you're going to get. So we're going to start with all of the gain laundry stuff first, and then I'll get into the rest of the stuff that you're going to need for this transaction. You're going to load onto your digital coupon account your 5 off of 25 for Saturday, the 5 off of 30 gain digital coupon that just got added on today, I believe. So you're going to add that 5 off of 30 gain digital, your 5 off of 25 for Saturday, and then I'll tell you the rest of the coupons in a minute. Obviously, you're going to add all of the gain coupons that are on there. There is one that is specifically for the liquid or flings or powder detergent. Now, I don't see where that powder detergent is going to be on sale for $3.95. So the first item you're going to pick up is either going to be the flings or the liquid. So whichever detergent you would like out of these two here. And of course, I've just got all Moonlight Breeze scent because that's just the one that I particularly want. You can get any gain scent as long as it's the right size. So the flings here, these are a 14 pack, and then the liquid is the 40-ounce liquid. These will be on sale for $3.95, so you're going to get either one of these for your transaction. So me personally, I would get the detergent. So this is going to be the first item you're going to grab in your transaction. And then next, you're going to get the 105 count dryer sheets. Now, I believe they only have this in a few scents in the 105 count. I know they have the Moonlight Breeze. I know they have the original scent, and I believe they have the Tropical Sunrise. I believe they have that in the 105 count as well. So this is going to be the second item you're going to grab. And like I said, just as long as it's this 105 count, you can get a larger size count, and the digital coupon will work, but you want this one that's going to be on sale for $3.95 so that you get the most amount of savings. All right, and then next you're going to grab a fabric softener, the 48 load or higher, and this is a 41 ounce here. So you're going to grab a liquid fabric softener, and there is a digital coupon specifically for this. There is a digital coupon specifically for the 105 count sheets as well. So you're going to have all of those coupons added on, and then you're going to grab you a gain firework, and these will also be $3.95 and with a $2 coupon on them as well. So that's going to be all of your laundry products that you're going to grab, all at $3.95 with a $2 digital coupon for each one of them. Now the next set of items, one I don't have a picture of. There is a digital coupon that's where you save $3 on 2 Febreze products. And it says that it excludes the oil refills on them, but what we're going to grab on that, they have some Febreze small spaces in a gain scent. We're going to make sure that everything we get is gain scented so that we can use our 5 off of 30 gain coupon, because it's any gain scented products, and you have to have $30 worth of them to get that $5 coupon to work. So we're going to get the Febreze small spaces in the gain scent, and those are $3 each. You're going to find them on the aisle where your plug-ins are and where your like air fresheners and all, they're going to be on the same aisle with that. And the plugs, the small spaces, are actually on the same shelf where these are. And these here are, I've just got these here for video purposes. This here we are going to get 2 of, but we're going to have to get a gain scent. I didn't have a gain scented one to put in the video, so that's why I just pulled out this Downy one. Okay, so like I said, we're going to get 2 of the small spaces in the gain scent. And then we're going to grab 2 of these Febreze plug refills. And like I said, you're going to have to get the gain scented one. They have it in Original and I believe Moonlight Breeze. So you're going to grab 2 of these. And there is a digital coupon. We're going to save $3 on buying 2 of these items. Now, if you have the paper coupon where you buy 1 Febreze product, get 1 free, you can use that one instead of the digital, and you will save more money because that paper coupon is going to take off $5 versus the digital that's only going to take off $3 for the 2 items here. So make sure you grab 2 of these in the gain scent. And I only threw this in here. We don't need this for our 5 off of 30 gain. I threw this in because it's free. And if we're going to get the refills for it, we might as well get the warmer for it as well, because otherwise these are pointless. So I threw this in because it's free. Like I said, we don't need it for our subtotal to be at $30. My subtotal actually came to $34 with that Febreze plug warmer there. So I've got it wrote out here. Each one of your gain items there, $3.95. You're going to get 2 of the Febreze small spaces in the gain scent, 2 of the Febreze dual plug refills in the gain scent, and then I just threw in that warmer because, see, my subtotal was already at $31.80 without the warmer, but I went on and threw that in because it's free, so we might as well go in and grab it. Okay, so then here are all of the digital coupons subtracted out as we're going to go. Like I said, we're going to start with $34.80 as our subtotal. Then we'll subtract the 5 off of 30 gain, the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, September 8th, the $3 plug warmer coupon, the $3 refill coupon, the $3 on any 2 Febreze products, which will be for the small spaces. And then we're going to have the $2 on the dryer sheets, $2 on the fabric softener, $2 on your fireworks, $2 on the liquid detergent or flings, whichever one you decide to get. Remember, you're going to get either or on that. You'll get either the fling or the liquid detergent there. So we're going to subtract that $2 digital coupon for that. And we're going to come down to $7.80 plus tax for this transaction here. So that is a really good deal if you want to get in on that. Like I said, if you want to stock up on your gain products, this is the week to do so, because next week those items are not going to be on sale for $3.95. So you'll end up paying $2.50 out of pocket after the coupon comes off, instead of $1.95. So we're going to make sure we do it that way. And also, last time I done this gain haul, because both of these 5 off coupons are digitals, usually it's very difficult to get both of those coupons to add together, because it's usually you're going to use one or the other. Now, in the past, what I have always done is I've made sure to have a paper copy of the 5 off of 25. And I would type in my, after they ring up all of my items, I would type in my number for my digitals first, and then they'd hit total, and then I would give them my 5 off of 25. But the last time I done a gain haul, which was probably about 2 weeks ago, I told you guys that I seen a customer in store that told me both of those digital coupons were applying, but you had to have them ring up all of the items first, then hit total. So they'll hit total, and your total will be $34.80 plus whatever tax in your area is. And then you go over to the pen pad, click on the digital coupon button, type in your phone number, and then both of those coupons would come off. Now, I did test this out 2 weeks ago when I done a gain haul, and it did work. So if you guys want to try it that way, most certainly do so. Have them ring up all of your items, hit total. They'll tell you your total is $34.80 plus tax. So we're just going to say that the total is probably going to be around like $36 or $37 with tax included. So your total is going to be like $37. Then you'll go over to the pen pad, click on the digital coupon button, type in your phone number, and all of those discounts should come off. Now, if they don't, I would go on and be prepared for it not to come off with both of those $5 coupons, and go on and have a paper 5 off of 25 with you as well. Because if only one of them comes off on your digital, then you'll still have your paper that you can present, and they can apply that on there as well. And if it doesn't go right the first time, don't be afraid to ask, can we just void this transaction and start over? If you go on and cash out the transaction, then all of your digital coupons will disappear. It will appear on your account that you use those. If you void the transaction before you cash it out, all of your coupons will still be there, so you can just go back and start the transaction over. You can either go back to the end of the line, or maybe if there's like no one in line, obviously, you'll just restart the transaction over. But we don't want to do this too many times, because the Dollar General employees do get in trouble for having too many voids. I guess they think that they're like stealing or something if they like go in and void out a transaction. I don't know. Anyway, but try it the way I said first. Ring up all of your items, let them hit total, then type in your number. If it doesn't work that way, maybe try it the other way as well. Or maybe give them the paper coupon right after that and see if it'll take it then. But if you do that, that coupon will no longer be valid. Like once that paper coupon has been scanned or typed in, you can't use it again. So you'll have to maybe have like 2 of them, just in case it doesn't go through with the digital only. Hopefully it will, because it did 2 weeks ago for me. I had no problems with it. And also, just for this last little thing in really quick, if you have a new account, a new digital coupon account, you will have that $1 for signing up. So you will save an additional $1 on this transaction if you go into the store with a new digital coupon account, because they are offering that $1 off of any $1.01 purchase digital coupon right now. You don't even have to do anything to add that on. As soon as you sign up for your account, that coupon is automatically added into your coupon cart. And I believe it's only valid for like a week or 2 after you've created that account. So if you create a new account before you go into the store, make sure to use that phone number when you go in and check out. But anyways, I'm going to go on and let you guys go. Just wanted to come on here and give you guys a really quick Saturday haul for September 8th. And this is a all digital gain haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.